Hey there. A lot of small businesses we talk to don't really have a lead problem, they have a lead response problem. A new prospect calls after hours and gets a voicemail. Somebody fills out a form, but no one reaches out until 2 days later. A web chat question sits lonely and unanswered on the screen. Maybe a lead says to you, I'm interested, but I'm just not quite ready today. And then no one follows up again. These are very expensive problems. In almost all cases, you've paid real money to get that lead to you. And the worst part is, most owners never even see this money leaking out in every direction. It just disappears. Well, the AI front desk and lead follow up package is something we built after 15 years of owning a marketing agency and realizing that this is probably the most significant and pervasive problem for most small businesses. They have big leaky holes in their marketing bucket that really need to get fixed before anything else. Depending on the business, this could mean AI call handling, AI web chat, automated booking, contact capture, review requests, review replies. That's an important thing if you didn't know. And a 30-day text and email follow-up sequence. We usually build this around Go High Level because it's a great platform that already handles almost everything that a typical small business needs: contacts, conversations, calendars, forms, pipelines, automation, and good follow-up. Now, understand this is not to replace your team in any way. This catches what your team misses because they're busy or you're closed or they're being pulled in five different directions. If you run any kind of service business, local practice, appointment based business, home service company, one missed call can be real money lost. If you think this is happening in your business, book a call. We'll look and see whether the AI front desk and lead follow up package makes sense for you. All right, thanks. I hope to hear from you.